Okay, on to one of my favorite rudiments. This is the Swiss triplet, or I'm sorry, Swiss Army Triplet. Okay, the right-handed alternation, if we take the flam away, there's another flam, okay, it's right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left. This is in triplets, so it's one triplet, two triplet, and so on. Now, you're going to add a flam at the beginning of all those. So it's right flam, right, left, right flam, right, left, right flam, right, left, right flam, right, left. And then the alternation is the exact opposite. Left flam, left, right, left flam, left, right, left flam, left, right, and so on. So if you were to play just one of the alternations, like the right sticking, this is what it would sound like at a regular speed. Okay, so you hear the triplets. In the left hand. Okay, so that's as simple as I can put it to you with the Swiss Army Triplet. So stay tuned for the next rudiment. See you next time.